Hey YouTube. Someone requested this song by Mustafa called Separate. This is how I think it's being played on the recording. I think it's being played with the capo, but I don't know that for sure because I've never seen it performed. But I'll show you how to play it without a capo too. But if you play the capo at the 5th fret, you can play A minor 7, or what you could do is start with just A minor, and then go to the minor 7, then go to E minor. Go to E minor 7 just by picking up one finger, and then the final chord would be F shape, but I would just play it like this, and then you can play open strings with it. Right, and then it's just kind of going along with the beat, doing a bunch of arpeggios and like hammer-ons and pull-offs. And it's kind of a lot faster than that. And then I would play the F shape like this, just a partial. You could play it like, but I think it sounds better as a F major 7. Alright, and then you could play it finger style without the capo. You're going to play a D minor. You can hammer on, do a sus hammer on. And then goes to A minor 7. Hammer on and make it just that regular A minor, or you could start with A minor and pull off, play A minor 7, and then the third chord would be a B flat. And I'm just playing that like an A, but except I'm instead of playing it at the 2nd fret, I'm playing it at the 3rd fret. Again, D minor, A minor, and then B flat. But I believe they're using the capo at the 5th fret. But I know everybody doesn't have a capo, so you can also play it with bar chords. That might be a little easier in terms of emulating the style. Because it's easier to do the pull-offs. And then you go to, so that would be D minor, and then D minor 7. And then you'd go to A minor 7. And then you just go up 1 fret to play the B flat major. Just say stick with the B flat major for that one. So that's how I play Mustafa Separate. Thanks for requesting that. It's a good request. It's a good song. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.